If you want to make your notes into PDF file by using your iPad, first open the Notes app and just open the note you want to save as PDF. I open this note, then click the share option, and here just tap this option under the file name, and here make sure it's selected to send copy. Then only you can see this option, save to files. Just click that. Now choose the path and click save. So that's it, it's saved as document files. So here you can see today, but it's still as a text document. So to convert this into PDF, just open that and click this share button and print. You can see this option print, click that. Now click this share option. So it's changed. Here you can see PDF document. Just save this to another file. So that's it, it's done. Here you can see PDF. That's it. And if you want to know more videos about iPad, watch this playlist.